So any particles that do get past these don't get in up there. So we've got our tank, we've got our nozzle. That's a soil preparation nozzle.
We set about to give you the language of biodynamics so that you can communicate with anyone on the planet about biodynamics. And then the second aspect of it is to give you the practical things that you can do when you go home.
So what we'll be making is essentially two preparations. One is a compost pile, a biodynamic compost pile. It's essentially a normal compost pile. We show you how to make that. But what makes it biodynamic is we insert the 6 biodynamic compost preparations in that. The other soil preparation we make is cow manure concentrate. So it's a very practical course, and we want you to be able to, at the end of it, be able to go home and get your hands dirty